Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by securing your account so progress is safe. Link Google or Apple immediately and confirm the bind. Next, finish the brief tutorial and pick your starter unit deliberately because early cards shape team growth. Once done, collect daily login bonuses and use the first free gacha pulls. Those extras speed progression. Also, make sure to set language, audio levels, and the game's performance mode so you avoid lag during live shows and events. You now focus on optimizing teams and resource flow. Assemble a balanced unit mixing high-rarity leaders with complementary support cards to cover vocal/dance/visual needs. Use lessons and support cards to raise levels, then limit breaks strategically to unlock skills that matter for songs you play. Meanwhile, monitor AP and event currency, spend gems for pivotal banners only, and plan pulls around Ray-tups. Once done, rotate teams based on skill synergy for the songs you aim to clear and rank up consistently. You finish runs by aiming for event milestones and polishing setlists for high-score tracks. Prioritize songs that match your team's strengths and use practice mode to nail timing. Once done, deploy score boosters and item consumption on final pushes only. They are limited. If something goes wrong, like crashes or lost progress, clear the app cache, lower graphic settings, restart the device, and rebind your account. If problems persist, prepare logs and contact support promptly so you don't miss event deadlines.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.